Hi everyone, welcome back to yet another JavaScript coding challenge session. We are going to remove duplicate elements in an array, okay? So without using a built-in JavaScript method called set, okay? Okay, so basically my approach to solve this question is I will create a new empty array and I will loop through the current array, okay? So if my current element in an array is not present in the new array, then I will push my element, okay, current element. If not, that means if that element is already present in that array, then I would skip to push that, okay. So this is my approach, okay. So if you are okay with this approach, you just try it out in your own way, else you can just continue to watch this video, okay. Okay, now let me create a function called remove duplicates, which takes an argument of array. And now I will call this remove duplicates function, okay. Mm, For let I equal to 0, I less than array dot length I plus plus, okay. If okay, let me initialize the new array, okay. Const new array equal to empty array if sorry if new array dot includes of array of I. Okay, so I will just negate it. So because like if the element is already present, I don't want to again push that element to the array, okay. So just like so this exclamatory mark will take care of that, okay. So now new array new array dot sorry push off array of I. So this will work. Let me console dot log of new array, okay. So let me take the terminal, cd space remove node script.js, okay. Okay, if you see, we don't have any duplicate elements here, okay. And similarly, if I pass the negative values 4, just saving it, you can see 10, 20 and 30, so all with the negative signs, okay. So this would work fine for every test case. I hope this solution makes sense to you. Thank you for watching. Let's again meet in the new video.